I bought these Philips solar lights because my current ones were very dilapidated, and I found this good deal on this 8-pack of solar lights. These are very high quality solar lights with a nice solar panel on top. It has glass on the outside, not plastic, and it has a nice long stem. So if you have shrubs that are tall or tall grass, it will still stand out above it, which I'll demonstrate shortly. Now, to activate, simply wiggle the top of the solar panel and pull it out like so. And then there's a switch underneath, which you will have to turn on to activate. And as you can see, it is right there. Just flick it and then it turns on. Then insert back in place and you're ready to go. Now stick it into the ground wherever your preference is, and this is what it would look like. I personally think it's a nice and elegant look. And again, the tall stem helps it stand up amongst the tall shrubs. And this is what it will look like at night. And the glass is nice and clear and it shouldn't crack or fade like plastic ones do, which is pretty much what happened to my last set. But this higher quality set should last longer, especially in 4-season climates. And I love that I have 8 of these so I can get creative. And I hope this video was helpful.